Good morning everyone! Welcome back to In My Mug. I'm your coffee friend Midori, and today's coffee is a washed process from Bolivia, Las Alasitas. Put your kettle on and let's start brewing! So how are you guys this morning? This beautiful Saturday morning. I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm getting a little bit tired, but it's all good. So today's coffee, Las Alasitas, is from Bolivia. It's the biggest farm in Finca Vista in Caranavi. Caranavi is located just north side of the city called La Paz, and it's located 1,600 meters above sea level, and it's owned by our dear friend Rodriguez family. Back in 2014, Rodriguez family bought a land in Caranavi and Caranavi region to showcase their practice and educate other coffee farmers in sustainable farming. So in their farm, they grow red Caturra, Java, and Geisha, and they own their own mill, processing and exporting coffee for farmers in that region. The family has been sourcing coffee from small farmer producers for 3 decades, but the steady decline of coffee producing has put the sustainability of their export business in jeopardy. So the family decided that they could make a change and make things better, and they have taken on a challenge of increasing the production of Bolivian coffee by planting their own coffee plantations. They also have introduced a sustainable model for the producers who supply them at their mill called Sol de la Mañana program. I'll make sure to leave a link in the comment box in below so you can read more about it and then you can learn more about Rodriguez family and their farm. So today's coffee, Las Alasitas Caturra washed, I decided to brew with Chemex because we haven't brewed Chemex for a long time. And I asked Chris, please could you send me Chemex? And he sent me this. I've never seen this actually. I know we have this in the website, but this is basically you can put on top of cup or vessel that you want to use, and you can brew 1 to 3 cups. So look at this, how beautiful. It's still in the package as well. I'm gonna try and I'm gonna rinse this and get ready, and I'll show you how to prepare filter paper and coffee, size of the coffee grind. Okay, so the Chemex brewer is ready. Look at this. This is so sexy looking brewers. I really love it. Especially like on top of like glass vessel, it just looks wonderful. So to brew this, you need Chemex and coffee ground for medium coarse grind size, and cups, hot water, scale, and this strange looking filter. So I need to do some origami doing this. There is an instruction on the box, so I'm gonna try to fold this. So basically you do in half, and this bit goes inside, just like this. I did it! Woo! So Chemex brewers, grind size is, so technically, because the grind size, the shape of the Chemex, the angle is different in each brewers. So in theory, the depth of the coffee ground is exactly kind of same between 1 to 3 cups and 6 to 8 cups. So because 1 to 3 cups you use 15 grams, and then 6 to 8 cups you use 30 grams. So technically you could use same grind size, and I haven't actually tested it, so I grind this same as 6 to 8 cups Chemex grind size, which is medium coarse, and I'm gonna brew it and then find out if it actually works. Okay, so you put filter paper on top, there you go, and make sure you rinse the filter paper. Yep, And then you empty the vessel, put the coffee on top, and then start brewing. Okay, so coffee goes on top, 15 grams, tear it. Basically, you need to brew it like less than 4 minutes 30. If it drips a little slower than that, maybe you want to change the grind size. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I pour 100 grams of water in the beginning. Or maybe I want to do this again. Maybe I should do it 30 grams first. Okay, I put 15 grams of coffee, and then I'll use 250 grams of hot water in total, and then I want to brew it for 4 minutes. If you go more than maybe 4 minutes and 30 seconds, you probably want to grind your coffee a little bit coarser, and then if it's really fast, like less than 3 minutes, then maybe you want to grind it a little bit finer. Well, but if you have seen my previous video, I talk about how you can dial in using your taste, your palate. So please check that video out too. Okay, so this is so beautiful, isn't it? I love it so much. So I'm gonna pour 50 grams to bloom for 30 seconds, and then I just straight pouring up to 250 grams. Start. So I'll pour 50 grams and then wait for 30 seconds. So as you can see, the Chemex 6 to 8 cups is like this size. So the angle is completely different. Like if you're looking at the V60, that's like angle is 60 degrees, right? So every size, 2 cups or 1 cup, you basically have to change the grind size. If you are using V60 for 1 cup, you use 15 grams of coffee, and then you put 250 grams of water, but then you have to grind it a little bit touch finer. And then if you are brewing for V60 for 2, then you put 30 grams or 45 grams, whatever you use. You need to grind your coffee touch coarser. Right. And I quite like this like origami thing going on. Okay, so this is like awesome, almost there, 250. Okay, so let it drip down, and then let's taste some coffee. Okay, so coffee is ready. It is really beautiful. It's not hot, it's wonderful. I'm so enjoying this actually. Okay. Smells wonderful, and let's taste some Las Alasitas. I'm gonna give one to Sia, who's helping me filming. There you go. Cheers! Okay, so I used same grind size as what I would use for 68 cups. I would probably grind it a little bit touch finer because it was dripping quite fast, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And the taste is you can still taste nice, like a stone fruit, kind of peachy flavor. It could be more deep, there should be like more nice flavor into it. Okay, I'm back. So because the coffee was dripping really fast, I wanted to grind a little bit finer and see what kind of flavor notes I can get. And you know, like if you're brewing at home and then you think it's dripping a little bit fast, like, yeah, try it, you know, grind it a little bit finer, and then I'll show you what kind of grind size I used previously, and then what kind of grind size I use now on the screen, so you can find out. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it looks nice. It's still clean looking, but it looks much nicer. Would you like to try, Sia? All right. Yeah, it's definitely much better. It has really nice sweetness, like caramel sweetness. It has a really nice milk chocolatey flavor with a cashew nut. And like, you know, the brand, the Biscoff, is it ginger? Is that the cookie? It tastes like that Biscoff cookie you can have, you know, on the side of espresso coffee or something. Yeah, it's awesome. So let us know what you think about this video. Did you learn anything new, or if there's anything you didn't really understand or, you know, not clear about, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, let me know what kind of flavor notes you can taste. I really want to know what you guys think about this Las Alasitas Caturra washed. Thank you very much for watching, and happy brewing!